All right, so that's, let me show it. Hold it up there. That's an unaborted entoloma. And then these other ones are aborted entomomas, which is shrimp of the woods. So the mushrooms, the mycelium starts growing and it's attacking and eating honey mushroom mycelium, and it makes them abort into a shrimp. And it's two different species actually.
Really?
And both are edible, but completely. That one's that one's a bad one.
Okay.
But those are shrimp there.
Wait, why is it bad?
These are not.
No,
I had
you're all good.
I had this little guy.
Okay.
It was just on the other.
I got some Advil Tylenol with it.
What's that?
I'm sorry, I'm
No, it's fine.
We had one get out back in the summer or spring. It messed that thing up. Now the river's right across. You can see the clear.
How old do you think?
5 to 6.
I think it's a little older than.
They're either back this road here or they're up the front. We were driving around in the dark this morning almost. So
I could have sworn those things were behind your stand.
say hi. Having a good time?
Oh yes.
Honey, oyster. Rattlesnake hole. Oyster way up there. Tree your honeys. It's that fruitful tree there.
Mossy.
All right, we've got oysters. These ones are too old to eat, but they're good for growing new oysters. We got some good fresh ones. We got a nice bag of tree here now. We got some turkey tail. Lots and lots of honeys. We got some Ganoderma reishi. We got some green quilt russos. We found several others. We got some chanterelles. We got Pluteus cervinus, which is a deer mushroom. And we got one summer lactarius that came up. That's good. We had one gill bolete and it broke off and busted up, but that's proof of it. We had it.
We can eat it anyway.
Mm-hmm. We got one wild portobello, agaricus, lots of honeys, some interesting color variations in the honeys. This one is a cool bolete. It stains really bad and not recommended. Red cap, reddish on the stem and red underneath. Now if it was a red cap and yellow underneath, it'd be awesome. But we did get some of these boletes that are good. This is a big version that's too old of the same thing. We got bags and bags of honeys, and this is probably one of the top ones we got of all these shrimp of the woods. And that was unexpected to find them this early here, but we did. We got some good stuff, and we got some put them chanterelles there, and we got some unaborted entelomas as well. So that's That's what we got. Good hunt. Everybody have a good time?
Had a wonderful time.
All right.
Thank you.
Learn anything?
Great time.
Things definitely great.
Well, wait till you have the feast. That's coming now. So I'm cooking right here. Already got it fired up right by the bayou here. Okay, we got scrambled eggs with honey mushrooms, a little bit of lemon balm, and a little bit of cheese. First dish.
Shrimp of the woods and
Shrimp of the woods and shrimp.
Oh, is this your air fryer
And
setup?
yep.
It was an air fryer?
no,
he has
that
a
was a
deep-
regular fryer.
Regular fryer.
Oh, okay.
All right, let's get the cocktail sauce.
Oh, and are we testing these now?
I'm sauteing this these mushrooms up for. Now I'm going to blindfold you here in a second.
Hey,
These are going to be for the bruschetta.
these
And
eggs are good.
yeah, you like it?
Hell yeah.
Yeah. Bruschetta and the stuffed jalapenos.
Precarious. We got a Tippecanoe over here.
Okay, we present the mushroom bruschetta. It has hen of the woods, shrimp of the woods, oysters, tree ear, chanterelles, and deer mushrooms. You guys enjoy. Getting ready to stuff the jalapenos next. Okay, I've got hen of the woods quesadillas. Take one, make sure it's all right. Getting ready to put the.
You're gonna wait 15 minutes.
All right, come and get the soup. We got, I don't know, probably what, 15 different kinds of mushrooms in there. I put a little bit of everything in there. It was edible,
Kitchen sink.
and including some dried morels I brought with me. So you guys enjoy. Still got pasta coming and jalapenos. Got, my stuffed jalapenos. They're cream cheese, hen of the woods, chives, and bacon. How's the soup tasting?
Awesome.
Like the soup? All right. Well, there was.
You're interrupting me.
I found a whole bunch of those little white. I think coprinus kind of. I don't know. I really don't know what they are. The ones that was up high. I got yesterday. I put them in the soup. So if you guys have any side effects, just let me know.
The one you said you weren't gonna eat?
Yeah.
When I tell him to move out.
All right, we got pasta going.
My buddy.
We got moose steaks and round steaks, and we got deer venison sausage, and the pork in it is not. It's wild boar. I'm doing the Alfredo for the pasta. Okay, this is the grand finale. We got hen of the woods, shrimp of the woods, and a little bit of oysters in the pasta Alfredo. We got what's the meat now?
It's moose steak, and then we've got some wild hog and deer sausage.
All right, awesome. You guys feast out now. Bye.